Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that seems small but makes a big difference. How to build a non-toxic cleaning caddy that keeps your home fresh and your family safe without the harsh chemicals or plastic overload. And here's the twist. We're not focusing on the cleaners today. We're talking about the tools, the simple, smart, reusable supplies that can help you clean more effectively, more sustainably, and with a whole lot less toxic exposure. Trust me, once you upgrade your supplies, your whole routine will feel easier and healthier. So, most of us have that overstuffed cabinet full of half used cleaners and mystery sprays, right? The truth is, cleaning doesn't have to be complicated or chemical laden. In fact, by simplifying your supplies and choosing reusable, non toxic materials, you're protecting your skin, lung, and indoor air quality. Plus, a thoughtfully stocked caddy means you're more likely to clean consistently. And that means less buildup, less stress, and more time doing what you love. So here's what I keep in my own healthy home cleaning caddy. And although through the garden season my home may see a little neglect, fall is a great time to get this caddy stocked and ready. And two, maybe every new season, add another cleaning caddy for each area in your home if you want that convenience. Now, all these items I've tested, loved, and rely on regularly. So number one is the glass spray bottle, a 16 or 32 ounce, perfect for DIY cleaners, and they hold up beautifully over time. I like to label my spray bottles with a label that is made for a chalk pen. And maybe need a little bit more help, but I also put on the back a label with the recipe. And this is for quick and easy refills when it's empty. Number two is hemp, cotton, or bamboo cloths. Now, these are the heroes of healthy cleaning routine. They trap dust, clean without streaks, and can be washed over and over again. And most importantly, they do not contribute to the microplastics in your home. And three, scrub brushes and bottle brushes. Plant-based if possible. So skip the plastics. Use loofahs or bamboo or coconut fiber brushes are effective. Great for tile, grout, and even scrubbing the sink. Number four is chamois towels. Yeah, they're usually associated with cleaning the car, but these are perfect for shower doors, windows, and mirrors in your home too. And using one daily in the shower will cut back on the soap scum and hard water stains. Now, number five is essential oils to have on hand in the caddy. Now, even though we're not talking about cleaners today, I always keep a few essential oils in the caddy to boost whatever I'm working on. So lemon is great for cutting grease or removing that sticky residue from labels. Tea tree is great for purifying surfaces. Eucalyptus or peppermint for a refreshing scent, and then On Guard for its protective properties. Now, you can use all of these on a wool dryer ball, cotton rounds, or even in a bowl of baking soda for deodorizing carpet and the trash bin. Now, here are a few clever non-toxic hacks using only your cleaning caddy tools and oils. You can deodorize trash cans, sprinkle some baking soda at the bottom, and add 3 to 5 drops of tea tree or purify blend essential oil. Or freshen your vacuum. Add drops of lemon or peppermint on a cotton round and tuck it in the canister or filter. Shine the faucet naturally. Use a chamois cloth with just warm water and a drop of lemon. No spray needed. And then clean the windows streak-free just by spraying your windows with plain water and wiping it with a dedicated dry chamois. It's that easy. Now remember, friends, switching to non-toxic lifestyle doesn't mean tossing everything overnight. It's about one mindful swap at a time, starting by upgrading one of your tools, and you'll notice how much easier it becomes to build healthy routines that stick. Now, cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore. When your tools are effective, safe, and beautiful, you'll be amazed at how motivating it can be. Now, if you loved this peek inside my non-toxic cleaning caddy, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'm always sharing natural living tips that help you feel good about what goes in and around your home. And don't forget to share this with a friend who could use some toxin-free cleaning tips. Now drop a comment below and tell me, what is one cleaning supply that you're ready to swap out for something safer? And if you'd like a free checklist of all my favorite non-toxic tools and the printable caddy guide, please check the link in the description. I've created this just for you.